Hello friends, welcome to your new recipe in Kalushuna channel. This is pomfret curry, but mark you, the speciality is there is no onion, garlic, coriander or cumin. Just watch how I prepare this unique Bengali pomfret curry. This is the fish after preparation. You can look at the gravy. It's not thick, neither is it thin. It's a unique taste, I guarantee you. So, without much further ado, let's come to the beginning of the recipe. We take the pomfret fish. I have taken large pieces, that is why I I'm using coriander leaves for garnishing. This is totally optional. You may or may not use it at all. So let's come to the preparation now. The size of my fishes are large, so I have cut them into halves. You might as well take smaller fishes and keep them whole. That is as per your choice. Now you have to put in slices on both sides of the fishes with knives so that the masala goes in or the fish is coated with paste on both sides. This is how I am putting slices with a knife on all sides of the four pieces. So use a sharp knife. My knife is giving a little bit of trouble. I am taking salt and turmeric and mixing it and rubbing it well inside each crevice and on each side of all the fishes. So this is how you rub in the salt and turmeric into each part of the fish. This is very important for preparation because otherwise the juice of the salt and turmeric will not enter into the fish. So this is the beginning of the preparation, and keep it aside a little 10 to 20 minutes before you begin the gravy. There, that's the last slice. Also use a piece of lemon. I am using half a piece because number of fishes are less. Use it according to your number of fishes and squeeze in the lemon juice on every side of the fishes too. So here I am squeezing in the lemon juice on all sides of the fishes and rubbing it in very well into each crevice of the fish. So with the hands are best for this purpose. Spoons are not so suitable. So it's better if you use your hands for doing this. Keep aside for 10 to 20 minutes while you prepare the gravy or the paste. So we are using white mustard, posto and salt and green chili. We are making a fine paste of these things. As you can see, it's very little in quantity. So take according to your number of fishes. And this is how we are making a paste in shil nora or shil bata as we call it in Bengali. This used to be a very common instrument in all households of Bengal, but nowadays, because no one likes to use their hands, so mixie has become very important. You can do it either ways. This is how I made my paste, and I'm using a little bit of water to clean up the shil nora and take out the whole paste from the shil nora. This is how it has been done traditionally, and we still do it like this. You have to cover this and keep it aside. We light a wok and light a gas and put my wok and heat some mustard oil. Yes, we use mustard oil for this cooking. White oil may also do if you are very health conscious. One by one, the fish pieces go in. Do not crowd the fish pieces. Coat the fish pieces on both sides with hot oil so that they do not become sticky and it's easy to take them out. There I am coating them on both sides with hot oil, so it will be easy for me to take them out and they'll fry quickly also. So this is the first fish that is being fried. We have only 2 pieces to fry and that will be done very quickly. Do not fry them too much. Cover and fry to reduce the frying time. There I have finished frying my first 2 pieces and I'm taking them out from the hot oil and introducing the other pieces into the hot oil. So take out the fish pieces one by one. Do not over fry them, just a little bit of color is enough. Do not make them brown or red or golden brown because that will make the fish very chewy. Pomfret is a sea fish and you need not fry it too hard. So there, the third piece and the fourth piece is also done. We are taking out the fish pieces and clearing the little pieces that are left inside the oil because we are going to use this oil for preparing the gravy. I am tempering the oil with panchforon. Panchforon is a Bengali spice containing a mixture of cumin, coriander, fenugreek, mustard and randhuni. Randhuni is a very delicate spice that is found only in eastern part of Bengal. You may or may not use it, but these are the basics. Now we fry it for 30 seconds and allow the temper to mix with the oil. Then I am introducing the paste that we have prepared into the oil. We are putting in the water by washing the pot where the paste was kept. Do not give too much of water, just a little splash of water will do. Then fry it in this oil very well till the oil separates out from the mixture. Look, I am frying it in this oil. Again, I am giving a little bit of water by washing the bowl where I had kept the paste. I am giving 2 pieces of green chili slit. You might use a greater number if you want to. That gives a nice flavor. The green chili flavor goes very nicely with the mustard. Again, I am frying it till the oil is separating. And yes, the trick of the trade, a pinch of sugar goes into this paste. That gives you the typical unique taste of this curry. There the oil is separating out. So we are giving water by washing the pot where it was kept or the paste was kept. There the water need not be too much. It should just cover the fish pieces. So according to the number of fishes you have to put water. You might use hot water as well, or normal temperature water also will do. So we are putting in the fishes one by one because we do not want to overdo them and allowing the curry to boil. You have to boil the curry for 2 to 5 minutes. Look, the boil has come. I will allow it to boil for 2 to 5 minutes till the gravy is thickened a little bit because this gravy is still watery. Look at the consistency of the gravy. There, the boil has come. I am keeping it on boil for 2 to 5 minutes till the gravy thickens, and then wow, the pomfret curry is done. Please, if you like my channel, do subscribe, like, comment and share. Wow, now enjoy.